Hello and welcome friends. I'm Smitha Katti. I blog at smilingcolors.com and you can also find me on Instagram as The Shiny Nest. In today's video, I'm going to share a couple of floral pen illustrations. I love pulling out my sketchbook and drawing flowers. That is one of my favorite things to do. It is relaxing, it calms my mind, and there is something so satisfying about putting pen to paper. Before that, here's quickly a look at the printables that I have on my blog. These are 3 individual sheets that you can print at home. If you don't want to print them, you can just open my blog post at smilingcolors.com. Open this blog post and then you can follow along and just quickly doodle flowers. Every one of my floral pen illustrations always starts with a pencil. I don't show it often on my Instagram videos, but I always have a pencil guide. This just makes me more confident while inking it, and if I'm shooting a video, it just makes the video go much quicker without me pausing and wondering what to doodle next. The pencils I most often reach for are the mono drawing pencils. I use the 6H or the 4H pencils. These are artist quality pencils and they are really light. So using the mono drawing pencil, especially in the 6H or the 4H value, it gives us these light lines that don't stain the page easily, and you can easily erase them once you're done. So using a pencil also means that I can easily center out my lettering. I like to add small quotes or something inspiring to each of my floral illustrations. So today I'm adding the quote that says, "Today is full of possibilities." And you hate that feeling when you're lettering something and you run out of space, or your letters just go off the page, you know? So using a pencil always ensures that you can erase, resize your letters, and make sure your quote fits in the page. Another reason why I love using the pencil is I can create layers of floral elements. So what I'm doing here is I'm just quickly drawing petals. I start with the center, I draw petals, and I add more and more petals till I have a flower that's of a size that I want. By using a pencil for my sketch, what happens now is I can easily overlap elements to create a layered look. Like I'm adding the bud, and I'm adding some more details, and I can easily draw lines so that it looks natural. It looks like the bud is hanging off the flower. And while inking the sketch, I can also choose which flowers I want to be on top and only ink the overlapping elements partially, so that there are no intersecting black lines. So I continue in this manner and just quickly doodle flowers all over my page. And one of the best reasons to use a pencil is you can change your mind. It gives you the freedom to easily erase something, redraw it, respace it, anything that you want. So once I have all of my pencil lines in place, I'm a happy camper because now everything is easy. I actually take my eraser and lightly erase all the lines. You can see it here. It's kind of dirty, but I can see the lines enough to trace over it. And then I just use my black pen to trace all over it. The black pen I always use is the Mono Twin Permanent Marker. This is an oil-based pen, so this gives me an option of going in and coloring this illustration later stage. So if one day I wake up and think I want to add color to this illustration, I can watercolor over this easily. And since the ink that I've used is oil-based, the black lines will not smudge with the water. And that's it. The inking part actually goes very quickly because you have spent so much time on the pencil sketch. And I love how the flowers turned out on this one. Here's another example. I actually share a lot of these sketches on my Instagram handle at The Shiny Nest. So make sure to stop by and check them out here. I'm just going to speed up these videos. I like to draw simple florals and then just keep varying the sizes, the shapes, add more interest, and just fill the whole page with it. These pen drawings of florals are great to decorate your bullet journals, your planners, or even just fill your sketchbook. Some other tips for drawing flowers are, you want to make sure to vary the size of your flowers, maybe even vary the type of flowers you're drawing, the shapes of the flowers, and always add leaves to your flowers. The leaves make the flowers look more realistic, give them more details, and it just makes them look gorgeous. Thank you so much for spending some crafty time with me today, friends. Let me know in the comments below if you found this video useful, and if you have any questions for me, I'll answer them in the comment section as well. I leave information for all the supplies that I've used in the video in the description box, but you can also find them in my blog post as well. Please make sure to like this video, enjoy, and happy crafting!